In the deepest part of the ocean lived a whale named Bobby. Bobby was big, Bobby was strong, and Bobby had a big temper. When things didn't go his way, Bobby would get all grumpy, flap his massive tail, and make a huge splashing everyone around him. The fish would scatter, the crabs would hide, and even the dolphins would swim far away whenever Bobby got mad. One bright day, as Bobby was swimming past his favorite coral reef, he noticed something that made his eyes narrow. The coral was broken and plastic bags and bits of rubbish were tangled in it. "Who did this to my coral?" Bobby roared, his voice booming through the sea. Splash! He smacked his tail hard, sending waves crashing into the little fish. Crash! Sand flew up from the ocean floor, turning the clear water cloudy. "Stop, Bobby! You're making things worse!" cried Sammy the seahorse, swimming over in a hurry. But Bobby didn't listen. "I'm angry, and I'll splash until this mess is gone," he huffed, flapping his tail even harder. Along came Lenny the lobster, who scuttled up to Bobby. "Bobby, calm down. The more you splash, the messier the ocean gets," Lenny warned, but Bobby was too grumpy to pay attention. His splashes sent seaweed flying, the sand swirling, and the poor little shrimp spinning in circles. Before long, the ocean was a messy, muddy soup, and the coral was buried under heaps of sand. Suddenly, Bobby stopped and looked around. Everything was worse. The coral looked sadder than before, the water was cloudy, and all the fish had disappeared. "Oh no," Bobby said softly. "I didn't fix anything. I made it worse." Sammy, the seahorse, floated back to him gently. "It's okay to feel angry, Bobby," he said. "But when we're mad, we should use that energy to help, not make a bigger mess." Bobby thought for a moment, then took a big breath and calmed down. "You're right, Sammy. I was so busy being angry, I didn't think about how to fix things." This time, instead of splashing, Bobby carefully scooped up the trash with his giant mouth. Sammy and Lenny helped untangle the coral, and together they cleaned up the ocean. As the water cleared, the fish swam back and the coral began to show its bright colors again. Bobby smiled, feeling proud. "I'm sorry for making a mess," he said. "Next time I get angry, I'll stop and think before I splash." From that day on, whenever Bobby felt grumpy, he remembered to take a deep breath and use his big strength to help, not hurt, and the ocean was happier for it.